I'm going to show you how to upscale an image on Ideogram AI in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget you can subscribe and like it for more. So in case you don't know, upscaling an image is the process of enhancing the resolution and the clarity of a digital image. This technique will basically use some advanced algorithms to add pixels and detail, making the image sharper and clearer. So all you need to do is generate an image. In my case, I have this prompt right here, which is the magic prompt I just copied from this generation of another person. So I'm gonna click on generate with these settings, and now it will take a few seconds to generate 4 different variations of this prompt. Okay, so now that we have the images, you can see them right here. We are going to upscale them. So you need to go to the one you like the most, and you will see this option to upscale. So just click there, and you can set some different settings. In my case, I'm gonna leave it like this. If you set a higher detail, it might take some more seconds to upscale it, but I'm gonna leave it like this. And now let's wait for the results. And that's it. Now we have the better image right here. Now it has a better resolution and clarity of this image. So it might seem like it's too similar, but if you upload it to Photoshop or any other similar tool and zoom it in, you will see that the upscaled image has a lot of details, and it will allow you to work much easier with that image. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.